Do Muslims worship Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The answer to this one is very simple in 4 points. Answer is no. Muslims do not worship Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam or any other prophet. Muslim believes in all the prophets, including Adam alayhi salam, Nuh alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, Daud alayhi salam, Sulaiman alayhi salam, Musa alayhi salam, and Isa alayhi salam, and all the other prophets in the world. Muslim believes that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the last prophet because Allah has said in the Quran. They believe that Allah alone is to be worshipped, not any human being. Therefore, they respect and love the Prophet, but they do not worship Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam or any other prophet. Another question which is related to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is, people ask, why it is strongly recommended to visit the Prophet grave in Medina and give him salam? Why was the Prophet buried in Medina, not in Mecca? It's a very important question, but it must be remembered that you should not travel to visit the Prophet ﷺ grave or anybody else's grave. It is not allowed. However, it is recommended to travel to 3 mosques, Kaaba, Masjid al-Aqsa, and Prophet ﷺ mosque, where the Prophet grave exists. Prophet ﷺ told us that the prophets should be buried where they die. For this reason, Prophet ﷺ was buried in Medina, not in Mecca. Thank you.